Hi everybody, my name is Alexandrianos Boristano, the founder of WebDollar, and today we're gonna talk how I started a cryptocurrency project, how I started the WebDollar project. So the story begins in September 2017 when I was interested by the Bitcoin, and I was thinking that actually we can build a Bitcoin in JavaScript, in Node.js especially, in order to make it peer-to-peer and consensus in the same time in the browser. And I was digging, I was starting to do the implementation, and in about November I did the first pitch and probably also the last pitch of the WebDollar concept at the Tech Hub in Bucharest. When I presented the concepts, everybody was laughing, everybody was joking how you can build a Bitcoin in a browser, how you can build a Bitcoin in JavaScript. And the biggest challenge was that Bitcoin is actually using about 200 gigas of data, because it is actually storing all the transactions. And I found there is also some competition. In the same time, I was not the only person who was thinking in order to make a Bitcoin in a browser, Bitcoin in JavaScript. I've also found different kind of projects like Lisk, which were written in JavaScript, and a lot of people were thinking in the same way, but different people, different ideas, different kind of implementations and so on. So then we were able to launch after 7 months. In April we were able to launch the technology to the public. Initially we were thinking to make it proof of work 100%. In order to make it proof of work, we used CPU mineable hashing function in order to make computers, to make it more resilient to ASICs and to make it more resilient to GPUs, to avoid to go into that pitfall, in order to make it after that GPU friendly, to use WebGL and so on. But after many months, after running the proof of work consensus, we saw there is not a very great idea. Because proof of work is actually like a simple lottery in order to distribute and decentralize your network through many computers. And after that I got more focused on the proof of stake concept in order to allow more miners, to allow the miners to stake coins in order to generate the next block. And in January we launched successfully the hybrid. Because WebDollar is a hybrid, 33% proof of work and 66% proof of stake. And it is interesting that you can build a hybrid blockchain and in the same time it still works. So it's a good idea, and we are still looking for new ideas, new concepts in order to implement in the WebDollar technology, in the WebDollar concept. But the most interesting is that it took us about 7 months from the idea in order to launch the technology. We didn't do any kind of ICO, we were not looking to raise funds, we were not looking to do any kind of private sale, so we didn't sell anything until we launched the technology. Personally, I didn't sell anything even after launching the technology. If you know, Satoshi Nakamoto actually mined over 1 million bitcoins, and he didn't sell any bitcoin so far, even after 10 years. Probably because he's believing in the Bitcoin concept, and also I believe in the WebDollar concept, and this is the reason why I'm still working, I'm still improving the WebDollar technology with a great team of developers, and we are trying to be quite decentralized, quite a huge community in the same time, but you still need some kind of research. You also need some kind of disruptive concepts in order to implement those ideas into the technology itself, and somebody needs to start some of those ideas. We are open for new concepts, we are looking for bright people who can share new ideas that we can actually implement in the WebDollar technology, in the WebDollar blockchain technology itself. So if you have any other questions about how to start your own blockchain technology, or of how does it work or something like that, leave a comment below and you can subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and see you next time.